Is she blaming me? Will she stab me with a dagger too? Come with me. Shit, I have a bad feeling about this. Take off your clothes. Wait, do you want to bathe with me? What are you waiting for? Can't you even execute such an easy order? You look like a knucklehead. You need to try harder if you want to survive. I put a healing potion in the water. Soak in it for an hour and your wounds will be cured by tomorrow. How disappointing. I thought we'd take a bath together. Take care of yourself. Of course, I know that.
I'll apply to the organization for dissecting Zero again tomorrow. There should be no problems this time.
Didn't the organization just reject you and ask you to wait last week?
Have you developed some kind of affection for him?
No way.
It's up to me to deal with my stuff.
Stop fiddling with that stupid gun. It's just useless crap. But I fixed it. That's right! If I only had access to more machines! Huh? You fixed it? Looks like you like machines. Maybe you'll achieve something.
Web novel comics, never so easy.